Breaking news, breaking news. Guys, breaking news. Felix Afena-Gyan is out, as he tested positive to COVID. So, Shomurodov, after a good week training, is preferred to coming from the bench. Meanwhile, Bryan Cristante and Jordan Veretout are back at the squad. For tonight's match, Mourinho will start with a 3-5-2, as Bologna plays in a similar system, but with Jordan Veretout in midfield, as he is back from a one-match ban. And probably will confirm Diawara in the midfield, after his great performance against Torino. As Vina is back, Mourinho got the option to change to his beloved 4-1-3-2 formation or 4-2-3-1 formation in a volante way. That means in Portuguese that one of the holding midfielders got the permission to go to attack and one of the attackers got permission to come to the center midfield to build up the play. Probably team for tonight, we have Rui Patricio on goal, a back three of Mancini, Smalling, Ibanez, a midfield of 5 with 2 holding midfielders, Diawara and Veretout, who got the permission to play box-to-box, and the 3 center midfielders with El Shaarawy and Karsdorp at the wings, and Mkhitaryan playing behind Tammy and Zaniolo, our 2 center forwards. Guys, be ready for another thrilling, hard-fought battle for tonight at Dallara in Bologna. Bologna trying to reach Roma and Roma trying to run away. Guys, get ready, cause it'll be thrilling and really good one. Tonight, 6:30 at Dallara in Bologna.
La mia voce nella